REDTIGER Dash Cam 4K. This product review is Amazon Associate, commissions earned. You find the Amazon link to the product in the video description. If you want to see more reviews like this, remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Feel free to like and comment. Here's a comprehensive analysis of the REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam, front and rear model, covering every key aspect. Photographs. 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. The front camera records at 3840 by 2160 at 30 fps using a Sony Starvis sensor, in some models Starvis 2, while the rear captures at full HD. This setup delivers high detail footage, ideal for reading license plates and capturing road incidents. Wide-angle lens and HDR, WDR, with a 170-degree front field of view, 140-degree rear, combined with wide dynamic range, WDR, and high dynamic range, HDR. It handles diverse lighting conditions well, whether bright sunlight or dim environments. Night vision and f1.5 aperture. Equipped with a large f1.5 aperture and a 6-glass lens, the dash cam offers strong low-light performance, making it effective for nighttime driving and recording. GPS and connectivity. Built-in GPS logs your driving route and speed, while integrated Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz or dual band in newer models enables smartphone connectivity for live view, playback, and downloading videos via the mobile app. Touchscreen and voice control. A 3.16-inch responsive touchscreen makes navigation easy. Voice commands for simple actions like recording or turning off the screen enhance hands-free usability. Parking mode and loop recording. The dashcam features motion detection and time-lapse parking mode when hardwired to a constant power source. Loop recording ensures continuous recording, overwriting old files, while the G-sensor auto-locks important clips during impact. Supercapacitor. Instead of a lithium battery, it uses a supercapacitor for improved heat resistance and extended lifespan, making it more reliable in extreme weather. Included accessories. Typically comes with a 32GB micro SD card, rear camera, wiring tools, USB power adapter, and installation aids, everything needed to get started. Video quality. The REDTIGER impresses with sharp, detailed 4K footage during the day and excellent clarity at night. It captures important visual elements like license plates and street signs with ease. Some users note slight over-sharpening or video compression artifacts, but overall quality remains high. Night performance. Thanks to the Starvis sensor and large aperture, the camera delivers clear night footage. Headlights, taillights, and other vehicles are captured well without significant glare or loss of detail. App and connectivity. App functionality is hit or miss. Some users find the mobile connection seamless, while others experience slow or unstable Wi-Fi connections, limited to 2.4 GHz in many models. The app interface can also be clunky or slow to load large video files. Ease of use. Installation and mounting. The setup is relatively straightforward, with either adhesive or suction mounts. The front cam installs easily, while the rear cam may require routing cables through the vehicle. For parking mode, a hard wiring kit is required and may need professional installation. Interface. The touchscreen is intuitive, with easy-to-navigate menus. Buttons are responsive, and voice controls add convenience. However, tearing with the app or adjusting GPS sync settings can occasionally be challenging. Reliability. Most users report a stable experience, though some mention rare instances of the device freezing, restarting, or not saving clips properly. Firmware updates help resolve many issues, but occasional glitches remain. Value for money. Cost and availability. Priced around $160 to $240 depending on configuration and retailer. It's often available on discount for under $130, especially during sales. Feature to price ratio. It offers features typically found in more expensive dash cams: 4K recording, GPS logging, Wi-Fi, parking mode, and a supercapacitor. The inclusion of a micro SD card and rear camera adds further value. support, and warranty. REDTIGER typically includes a 12-month warranty, with customer support praised for responsiveness and quick replacements in the event of issues. Alternatives. While REDTIGER offers great bang for the buck, competitors like Fiofo, Rove, and Garmin may offer smoother software experiences and more durable builds, but often at a higher price point. Verdict. The REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam is a compelling option for drivers seeking high-resolution recording, strong night vision, and full GPS tracking without paying premium brand prices. While the app experience and Wi-Fi stability leave room for improvement, the hardware performance, included accessories, and overall feature set make it a top contender in the sub-$200 category. It's a great investment for commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trippers alike, especially those who want front and rear protection in crisp detail. With a few small upgrades to connectivity and firmware, it would easily rival high-end models.